Hello guys, my name is Omoome. I'm a photographer at Buckles Memoirs and also a set design expert. I've been with Buckles Memoirs for close to a decade now, and I can categorically tell you that it has been an amazing journey. What actually attracted me to the brand in the first instance was the artistic part of the brand. Like when I actually saw the brand on Instagram that year, and the moment I saw the page, the moment I saw the work, I knew it was art. And the funniest thing is that a lot of people don't know, but thank God for more education that we are doing now. We are letting our customers know that we actually do artwork. So when I saw it, I was fascinated. I was attracted to it, and I didn't wait a second to send a DM like I would like to be a part of this beautiful brand. And from there, it has been a beautiful journey, and so far so good. We've done over 1,000. We've captured over 1,000 children, and we've done more than 3,000 set designs, like in different varieties. And most times when I tell people, when I have discussion with clients, and I tell them that we don't do what everybody do. So here at Buckles Memoirs, we do art, and a lot of people don't know. So that is why when you are talking with prospective clients, they will be like, it's not just to take pictures. No, at Buckles Memoirs, we don't just take picture. We curate tool for reflection. We curate masterpiece of art, and we create the perfect memoir that once the child becomes an adult, he or she will be able to look back and be like, oh, seriously, mom loves me. Seriously, dad loves me. For them to be able to do this for me. Because our work appreciates, art never depreciates. Years later, it becomes like I can categorically call it a heirloom. Like it is something you want to pass down and pass down and pass down and pass down. Buckles Memoirs is one brand that is artistically oriented. Like for everything we do, it comes after a lot of brainstorming, brain work. So everything put together was what has made me realize that okay, this is where I want to be. And I won't lie, I have never for one day regretted being a part of this team. It has been a beautiful journey. You have the ability to grow, the ability to grow yourself as a brand, and the ability to grow as part of a team. And I won't lie, this is a brand you want to work with. This is a brand you want them to take your children. You want them to create the perfect memoir for you. Do you know that when you come to Buckles Memoirs for us to create your child, for us to do your child's milestone, for us to create memoirs for your child, you are actually telling us that you want us to create a tool for reflection. When I say tool for reflection, what I mean is that looking back at your image years later in the future, you realize that you will be able to like say, oh, your child will be able to like say, oh, my parents, they love me so much. You know, when they are able to give you something exceptional, something different. This to us, this is telling your child of how much they were loved growing up. You desire to give them the best of their childhood years, and this is done through the Buckles Memoirs brand. This is done through creating the perfect memoir for them with Buckles Memoirs. So, like I said, my journey here has been beautiful. My journey here has been amazing, and I would never trade the years I've spent with Buckles Memoirs for anything in the world. So, won't you want to be a part of us? Won't you want us to create a beautiful memoir for your child? Then reach out to us today and let us create something beautiful. Thank you.